Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use PayPal for online shopping. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have an account on this platform. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, here we have the home screen. We have the send, wallet, activity, and help options. We have send and request and a lot of different options here, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use PayPal for online shopping. So firstly, simply what you need to do is sign up for PayPal and link a payment method, link your credit card or debit card, which you can do here. In the bottom right corner, as you can see, the last thing is the blue link a card or bank. Click on there. Then go in, of course, if you need to log in again, log in again. And here you have options. Link a credit card, keep your card in for secure when shopping, or link a bank account, withdraw funds you receive to your bank account. So you just need to click on some of those options and your card will be linked. Then when you check out online on whatever page, you just need to go and search for the PayPal button. After that, log into PayPal and speed through checkout security with just an email and password. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.